Hello, now we are showing you how to repair the panels with our laser machine. Okay.
这一个是一个夏普65寸的屏幕，型号是 JR65R3HA7L。
Okay, this is a sharp 65 inches panels, and the model number is showed on the PCB board. As you can see, this is a sharp brand. And next, we will show you how to repair the panels with our laser machine.
首先，我们将这张屏点亮。
First, we light up the panels.
切换测试画面，看一下这张屏的故障现象是什么。
We switched we used the LCD tester. We used the LCD tester to check the background, to check the problems for the panels. As you can see, there is a lamp on the panels. We need to use the LCD testers to check if it is a bright lamp or dark lamp.
点亮之后的话，我们可以看到，在这个测试画面里面有一根竖线。
As you can see, there is a vertical line on the screen, as you can see here. But you can find out. We change to the white background, and you still can see the lines on the screen. It means it is a dark line, not a bright line.
这根竖线的话，我们看上去它是一个不规则的啊，它底部的话呢比较明显，然后上部的话呢就比较淡，这种的话就是我们所称的这个大小线。
This line we will call this, as you can see on the screen, this side the line can see clearly, it is more dark. And this side it is light, you cannot see the line clearly. So we will call this line is uneven line. They have different size, different widths. As you can see, this side is lighter and this side is dark. So we call it uneven line.
并且它是一条黑色的这个大小线。
It is a black uneven line.
那这种黑色的大小线的话呢，它的故障一般都是由于内部的这个控制线路，对地线有短路所引起的这个故障现象。
The problem is caused by the inner pixel problem. It may have short circuit inside of the panels, so we need to check the circuit inside.
部分的话呢，也有可能是底部的那个它的一个线路的一个滤波电路有问题所引起。
滤波电路啊 ，It may has the chance, caused by the button circuit.
所以我们可以看到底部这里的话呢，稍微有几个像素点的话，它是有呈现出一个黑点的一个情况。
We will check the bottom side, and we can see some spots at the beginning of the line.
所以我们把镜头移到那里去观察。
So we move the lens to the end of the line to check what the problem is. We move the lens to the bottom side of the panel of the lens, to the bottom side, to the end of the line. And we can see the monitor.
切换到纯色白色画面。
We switch the background to white. We use the LCD tester to change the background to white background.
那么这个异常线的话呢，就是在这里啊，这一条就是黑色的这个异常线。
As you can see, it has colorful lines. It has colorful lines on the screen, but this is abnormal. It should be green, but it is not light on, so it is the faulty line here.
那对应的这一条黑色的这个线路的话，它控制线就是左侧这一根。
Okay, we need to analyze the pixel, the circuit inside. As you can see, this is the this is the X pixel control lamp. This is the X pixel single. So this lamp has the problem.
部分的话呢，它在底部的话会有一些滤波线路，但是这种的话就是看上去是没问题。
We check the line here. We check the line here by the laser machine. It seems no problem here.
我们在这边的话是可以看到旁边这个线路会有出现这种腐蚀的这种情况。
We can see there are corrections on the screen for the lens aside.
我们找到这一根线的话呢，先在底部把它切开试一下。
We will try to cut the X pixel control lamp. We change the lens to 20. We change the laser machine to 20 lens. So we will cut first. We will try to cut first. Okay.
好，我们切开这根线的话，这根线是马上消失了。
As you can see, we cut X pixel single line on the screen, and you can see the line disappeared immediately. As you can see, the line is gone now. No problem with the screen. OK 了吗？
可以了。
修好了啊。So the panels is well repaired.